Have you ever had bladder issues as you've gotten older? I know I sure did. I was to the point where I was carrying extra undergarments with me in my car when I traveled on business because you never knew when you were going to need something. I mentioned this to Dr. Arnone at one of my adjustment visits, and he says, well, maybe we can take care of that. He made some adjustments that day, and after I left, I had no more problems. I could not believe it. It had been a constant daily issue, and now all of a sudden there was no problem at all. And after a few months, I noticed one day that I was having a slight bit of return of the problem. Mentioned it to him at my next visit. He again did another adjustment, and now it's been a few months and never another issue. I was blown away that something so simple as a chiropractic adjustment could make such a difference for me. And maybe it can make a difference for you too. Check it out.